Next question is from Sonal. She is asking, does MNC tag matter for a better future in career? Sonal, frankly speaking, it doesn't matter for better future in career, but it matters in salary negotiations. So if you are working in an MNC or if you are working in a big brand, so it's considered that if you have got job in that brand, you already have clear the stringent hiring process of that brand. If some brand is popular for stringent hiring, or some brand is popular for doing stringent background checks, so those kind of things are kind of pre-understood by the other smaller companies, and they may give you better salary. So for salary negotiation, MNC tag of course matter. When you are coming from a large MNC and you are joining a mid-level company or a smaller company, yes, it's called as that you are kind of encashing that brand value. So that thing of course matter, but not in your long-term career. You of course will get a bragging right. Like I get the bragging right that I was solution architect in HCL Technologies. Okay, so I that kind of bragging right of course you will get, but it won't help pretty much in long-term career. That okay, nobody is going to give me a chance if like in my current work, nobody is going to give me a promotion because of I was a solution architect in HCL. Okay, so whatever career growth will happen, it will primarily depend on what kind of work I am doing and how is my current performance. So MNC tag will give you kind of a bragging right, plus it will give you a salary negotiation right. I would say that whatever salary you have in that MNC, you can ask for better salary you can do better salary negotiation by saying that I am coming from so and so big brand and I am coming to your smaller brand, so probably I can get more salary, or companies give more salary if somebody is coming from bigger brand. It depends on company to company, but as I said, it more help towards your salary negotiations and your bragging rights, but it doesn't helps much in your career. In your career, what matters much is how well you do your job. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care, bye bye.